Melissa and Mickey here. We are here on the beautiful Disney Wish inaugural selling, and we are going into Nightingale's. So let's go in and see all the specialty drinks and everything they have to offer. Just ordered a Nightingale drink, and I wanted to show you that. We have such unique drinks inside the Nightingale. Can't wait to try this. This is a signature drink, and for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You can reach me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. So book your next Disney cruise with a Disney expert. I'll take great care of you guys. So let's look and see the menu and what we have to offer. So Scott is having a very nice wine here. And then this little guy here, I love the little bird glass that it's in. Let's try the Nightingale. Whew, a little bit strong, but it's good. Very sweet, orangey, tangy. And I'm especially happy that I'm going to take this little Nightingale home as a remembrance of my Wish cruise. So that's awesome. Nightingale has Hendrix. Honey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! That's beautiful. Wow. Now to try it. Let's taste it.
That's so fun.
Woo. Very nice. Hi, Scott. Yeah, very nice. Even better presentation. Look at all of these bubbles, smoke bubbles, air bubbles, and then a huge wine list: white wine, red wine, and champagne. So quite an extensive menu. They're very beautiful. Ooh, that's a purple. Ooh, there's another lovely drink. That we're about to hear a pianist play. Look at the chandeliers. It's just very beautiful in here. Oh, okay, here's...
Crack it with a hammer.
What's that?
And you crack it with a hammer.
Oh. Class.
So you crack
Badges and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. Thingamabobs, I got plenty. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.